Welcome back. In this part, we will create our Viewholder class for our all job posts. So before that, we can add it. So public static class. So my Viewholder extends. So we did not add class keyword. So public static class. And you can call it all job post Viewholder extends recycler view dot Viewholder. And now we need to create a constructor. So create constructor. So view is going to be, you can call it my view, and my view is equal to this item view. Public void, you can call it set job title, string title. So text view, you can call it m title is equal to my view dot find view by id. So find view by id r dot id dot. So what was our id name? Our id name was all job post title, and this m title dot set text title. And public void set job date string date, and add a text view. So text view is going to be mdat is equal to my view dot find view by id r dot id dot all job post date, and mdat dot set text is going to be date. So public void set job description string description, and we need to add text view. You can call m description is equal to my view dot find view by id r dot id dot all job post description, and term description dot set text is going to be description, and public void we can call it set job skills. So string skills. So text view. So text view m skills is equal to my view dot find view by id r dot id dot all job post skills, and m skills dot set text is going to be these skills, and public void set job salary. So string salary and our text view. So text view we can call mSalary is equal to my view dot find view by id r dot id dot all job post salary and temp salary dot set text is going to be salary. So we added all these required method inside our Viewholder class.